Hello everyone, welcome to back to Snap. Download in the Flipkart apps and play our money on the more super coins. And then now start only correct answer.
Flipkart hosts Daam Sahi Hai Season 2 Episode 148 Water Fountain. And the number one questions, the MRF of the Nirayat International Copper Water Bottle in 10,000, and the right answers true. And the second number question, Flipkart hosts Daam Sahi Hai. Number 2, the MRF of the home delight water the fountain greater than or less than 15,000, and the now of the right answer greater than 15,000. And the last of the 3 number questions, Flipkart quiz Daam Sahi Hai. Number 3, who I am I, and the now of the right answers Lamek fashion lipstick.